Hi, I'm David Balkan of Balkan Sewer and Water Main Service, and I'm going to do a quick tutorial that's going to show you how to light a torch the safest way, the most efficient way, and the quickest way. And contrary to popular belief and what is portrayed in many places on YouTube, there is a different and better way to do it than is typically thought. Now, first of all, the way many people suggest you light a torch is with matches or a lighter, which would mean, first of all, you have to take your glove off. You're losing protection right off the bat. Secondly, a vital thing to understand is gas is heavier than air. So when you're lighting your torch and you're putting your hand underneath where you think the gas is, you're setting yourself up to potentially get injured. Now, there's a much safer, more efficient, and faster way to light a torch, and I'm going to show you how. The first thing I'm going to do is put my glove back on. Now, what you would do is you would turn the gas on at your tank if you're using a tank. Of course, at the torch, your gas would be off. Now, all you want to do is open the gas just enough that you have gas coming out. That's all you need to know. And this is so simple. I'm going to shut this off for a second. This is called a striker. It has a piece of flint inside. Maybe it costs $5. It can be used an innumerable amount of times. You can get replacement flints for just about, a negligible amount of money. And what this does is, first of all, safety-wise, it has your hand away from the flame when it ignites. That's kind of important. But second of all, again, because gas is heavier than air, you don't hold the striker this way. You hold the cup facing upwards. The gas goes into the cup. Boom! Now that's simple, that's safe, that's efficient. You will never get injured. And that's how you light a torch. Thanks for watching.